звучит просто глухой. Полем, 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 свежий ветер пролетел, полем, свежий ветер, я давно его хотел. Полем, 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 свежий ветер пролетал, полем, свежий ветер, я давно о нем мечтал. Полем, свежий ветер, я давно о нем мечтал.
It's only one song what we sing with him. when we meet each other, we sing this song usually. only me who remember words for this song.
What's the name of it?
Name Свежий ветер means fresh winds. It's about freedom, about dreams and houses and fields and everything.
Три песни подаем. Или 30.